activating mobile banking of Citizens Bank is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can activate your mobile banking of Citizens Bank. Well, the process is pretty simple. For that, you have to be at your Google, and here you have to search for Citizens Bank. And then you just have to go to the first website, which should be citizensbank.com. Now, after going to their home website, you will be able to see, as you guys can see, this is what you can do. Now, here you simply have to click on this login button. Once you click on this login button, you will be able to see, as you guys can see, you have to either login, or if you're not enrolled in online banking, you just have to click on this enroll now. Now, online banking means you can actually access the online bank through your website or mobile apps. You just have to enroll yourself into your online banking by, entering this information. They will ask you to verify. You just have to enroll it by putting your information. You can actually do the same process on the app as well. By opening up the app, there should be two options: login and enroll. You just have to go to enroll. Once you're enrolled, you'll easily be able to log in and use your Citizens Bank mobile application. So that's pretty much it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.